What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters, away. I see you, haters, I'm getting away.
Chilling, like always. So today this is gonna be a little quick video for you guys, quick product review. So this product I got for you today is a must-have. This is something you're gonna want to have because you just need it. It's just a must-have. You know what I'm saying? There's other companies that make these, but I'm telling you, the quality of these are what you're looking for. A little customizable, and they're a 5-piece set. So the thing I'm showing you today is a product that's brought to you from the guys over at RikerWraps.com. Check those guys out. Pretty good guys over there. So what we have here is the Can-Am Riker center caps, or hub caps, if you want to call them. So you got the nice center cap. It has a little slit in the back of it, so your pin can go through there when you slip it on there. Has a nice snug fit. I've actually had them on here for a couple days, and I've been on a ride with them or two with them, and I'm loving them already. And so you're gonna want to have these because everyone knows the hubs on the Rikers rust. So if you got these, maybe that's gonna help it a little bit for rusting a little slower. Well, I'm telling you, you're gonna want these. So when you order these caps, it's a 5-piece set. You can go check on the website for the price. I'm not exactly sure how much the price is. But you can check on the website. You can get the Y on the Rikers in different colors. So you can get the Y in blue, red, yellow, green, pink, and purple. You can pick the colors if you want. So that goes right in the front. Just pops right in there, nice and snug. If you're looking at it, you can see it has like little dimples on the side, which lock it in there once you get it in there. That's gonna give it an extra little security. And then also, a little bonus that goes with it for the back side of your hubs. They snap right in there. Lovely. So you know Can-Am Riker makes the hub covers for the hubs, but it doesn't cover the hole. So this right here, I'm thinking you'll be able to put this on there and then put the Can-Am Riker ones over it, so it even give you double protection. But I'm telling you, even just with this, it's definitely a must because you're gonna get some rust inside your hubs, and if you're covering it up, I guess it's gonna help it from debris and stuff to get in there. You know what I'm saying? If you live near those saltwater areas and stuff, maybe they help with the air that's getting in there. It won't be as, you know what I'm saying? You know. But so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna install them real quick for you. It's 2 seconds install, and show you what they look like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my cat. I'm gonna make sure that I line up the slit with the little part of the thing there. Give it a little bang in. That's pretty snug. I've actually, I had this in here, and when I tried to take it out, with my hands. I wasn't able to do it. It was too tight for me to take it out with my hands. I actually had to use a flathead screwdriver or regular and pop it out to get it out. All right. So let me show you the back guys. So now I'm going to be putting it in the back side. Even looking at my hubs, you can see they have a little bit of rust on them, but I've seen a lot worse rust on these hubs. I live in New England, so there's a lot of salt in the roads in the winter, but not too much salt in the air, like down like somewhere like Florida or somewhere like that where the ocean is. But so when you're sticking on the back here, you got your little things that's gonna line up with there. Line it up, give it a little smack. And the same with this thing. When I tried to pull it off with my hand, I wasn't able to pull it off. I had to use a screwdriver. I just went from the other side because I took the other side off first and popped it out. That's on there snug. That's on there snug. Let's take a look at the other side again real quick. Yeah, that's a go. That's definitely a go. Rims are a little dirty, but that's definitely a positive right there, guys. And like I told you, it's a 5-piece set. So you get the four for the front, and then you get the one for the back. And there you guys go. And here's the rear, guys. The rear one, you only get one because you only have to put it, there's no backside for it. And the back one's a little smaller than the front one. So when you get, if you order these, this back one is going to be the smaller one. And same thing, it has a little slit for the thing and it pops right in there. It's snug. I can't get it out with my fingers. I'm going to have to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that out. But I'm loving them. They look awesome. I went with the red myself because I'm doing a black and white combo color scheme with a little bit of red because it's got some red clip, red lights and stuff. So I went with the red. I actually got to replace my wraps because actually when I got my tire replaced at the Can-Am dealership, when they were putting my tire on, they scraped the wrap. So I got to get that replaced. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this product, hit up the guys at RikerWraps.com and get yourself a set. Trust me, they're definitely a must-have. All right, guys, to the next one.